I've found often than not, when I'm out at the flying field, I'm usually doing some sort of review. So it's refreshing to go out to the field not for work, per se, but just for the fun of flying. At the urging of my buddy Lee, we met at the field with a few of my larger models. First up is my old ESM Val dive bomber. I've actually didn't build this one, but bought it second-hand. It features realistic weathering, a smoke system, and a working bomb drop. Just ignore the Yankee Band-Aid on the wing. It's a really nice flying model that has scale-like performance on a 30cc gas engine. I had recently overhauled the engine with a new carburetor, and on this day I was finally able to test fly it. Fortunately, it ran flawlessly, if a touch on the rich side. I tried the bomb drop, but for some reason it didn't release. I also tweaked the smoke system plumbing, which fortunately worked great. I really like the look of this model and often bring it to warbird events. It's also super easy to land.
There it goes.
Oh, now the bomb drop works. Next up is another swap meet find, an old Airwings Bobcat. I originally got it because it looked fast. But unfortunately, the speed is mediocre and it's more of an electricity to noise converter. But it does fly quite nicely. I hadn't flown in so long I'd forgotten the nose gear steering was mostly broken.
Right turn. And yeah.
Last is my Hangar 9 Brave. This is a model you may have seen me towing a glider in a previous video. It's an 80-inch model and is a big teddy bear that I always enjoy flying. Surprisingly aerobatic, yet also very sedate.
Low pass.
I like how I can throw the sticks in the corners and jerk it around the sky. But also fly lazily patterns around slow and low
Landing.
while shooting touch and goes. Running this channel often leaves me jumping from model to model in quick succession, often leaving me with not enough time to fully enjoy my time at the field with a particular model. I'm not complaining, as I quite like the variety, but it's also nice to pull some old favorites out of semi-purgatory, blow the dust off, and enjoy the day reminding myself why I'm in this wonderful hobby. Hi, thanks for watching. Please take a look at the video description below for special HobbyView sales and discounts. Your purchases help support this channel. Happy modeling!